died. Oh my goodness, my phone died. So I'll wait a little bit so y'all can come on. Let me know when you're on, okay? Hi, Blanca. My phone died. I told y'all. Hi, Sheila. Hey, girl. Hey, welcome back. My phone died. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. Such is life, huh? You know why, guys? Because I was on the phone before I went on live. So maybe they'll come back, maybe they won't, but they can always watch the replay. And then my iPad, let me switch iPads. My iPad is dying. But I'm going to switch iPads. I got a new one, a new little one. So we'll put it here. And I'll watch it here. Because then I can't read comments. I'm blind. Okay, where did I put you? I'm gonna put you right over here. Technical difficulties. Facebook didn't kick us out. I was out of battery. Now I have 3 iPads, Blanca. It's crazy. 1 at work and 2 here at home. Is that one of them? One of my older ones? It's not holding its, what do you call it? It's charged really well. So I had to get a new one. I didn't have to get a new one. I wanted a new one. So let's see who comes on. Let me clean my mess here, my stuff, while we see who comes on. I know. I have 2 iPhones, 3 iPads. It's nuts. Nuts. But I need them. I really do. I'm sure I could do without, but it makes it a little bit easier. I knew it was going to die, but Sheila said, oh, let's do it anyway. Okay. When are you going live, Blanca? Gotta do it. Gotta do it. We have a quarter starting up in April. I hate it. I hate it when our numbers go back to 0. Don't ask. After you come back from your cruise, okay? After you come back from your cruise. I think that's a good time. It's like, I don't know how y'all can stand it. The girls on my team, it's like, how can you not come on and play with your stuff? But the thing is, they are playing with their stuff. They're just doing it at home where nobody can see them. I want to see their creativity. I want to see what they come up with. Okay, this is what we're going to do. I lost Dana. She probably went to bed. Who else is here, you guys? Let me know when you come back so we can get this going. I know, we got to help you when you have time. When you're ready to go on Facebook. But, well, it's good to set it up now also, Sheila, because you can post on it like every other day or at least once a week to grow your Facebook page. Then later you can do your lives or start announcing, I'm going to go live in July. Or I'm going to go live at the end of December when I graduate. Whenever. Because it takes a while to build it up. It takes a while to build it up, you guys. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, I need to post my... Let me see if I can... No, I can't do it from there. I'll do it from this one. I need to post my webpage. First week in April. Hi, Susie. My battery died. I ran out of juice. I knew that was going to happen. First week of April. Well, we can do it right before, Sheila, if you want, any evening, right before Thursday, because the week of the 7th is market day, and I'm really busy Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But either right before that Thursday, before market day, which is what, the 3rd, 4th, something like that, we can do it then, or we can do it right after the 8th, or maybe that night of the 8th. We can maybe do it then. I can help you. You guys, and I really don't mind helping y'all at all. It goes a lot quicker. You don't have to figure anything out. And then you need to do it the correct way, because you don't want to go against compliance. You want to make sure you title everything correctly. That's why. Not that I'm a control freak, but just do it right the first time and you don't have to worry about it, right? Okay, let me see if I can pin that. Sometimes it'll let me, sometimes it won't. So I have a VIP group, you guys, and that's where I'm going to be doing the painting. The painting of the canvases or the backgrounds or the furniture, and maybe different embellishments, things that are